When you touch my toes, I want to curl up in a ball and die. Don't you dare! See the ducky? The ducky's outside again. What is he eating?
Yeah.
Did you throw the ball?
Sure. Yeah, I did it.
Hi.
Yeah, it's broken.
Your bow.
The bow?
Yeah.
Should we get your bow?
Yeah.
Yeah. Get your bow and your sunglasses?
Bow, sunglasses.
Okay.
Maybe China.
Yeah?
China.
China?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You need to sleep.
You sleep?
Yeah.
Do you want to sleep?
Yeah.
I'm going to sleep right here.
Sleep.
You sleep.
Mommy sleep.
Mommy sleep?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sleep.
You sleep.
Sleep.
You have avocado all over your face.
Sleep.
Sleep?
Yeah. Sleep.
Gentle.
Da.
Da.
Mommy.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mommy. Bump.
Mommy.
Mommy.
Mammy.
You know what I've noticed about Kinsley? She has started to sing. And she used to kind of mouth the words, but now she's actually kind of singing some of the words. This morning, as you saw, she was singing a little bit of the ABC.
Won't
Won't you sing with me? That's so cute.
Next time, won't you sing with me? Good girl!
Again.
I'm so proud of you.
No.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This looks amazing.
Okay, so I made 2 juices for today. I made a green one and a red one. We had one this morning that Philip made that I think was a combination.
Really veggie-y, really fruity.
Yeah. So this one
Those are really good
is
words.
lots of greens, celery, a little bit apple, and lemon. This one is beet, carrot, and apple.
Wow,
So-
that one is sour. I like that.
Yeah, the lemon.
I like that a lot.
Yeah.
What happened if you put them together? It's like sweet and sour. That's delicious. Guys, I would like to... I can't tell them. I can't tell them.
It's even the noise of
The noise is just the worst. Okay, you guys. It must have been about a month ago that we told you about words that we can't say or we can't listen to. Stop. Stop. That we just can't hear it, like moist and crevice and things like that. Like, you guys, I cannot stand when people touch their feet. And even further, I cannot even fathom the thought of someone touching my feet. I got a pedicure once with Alex, and I about kicked that lady right square in the jaw. And it was not because I didn't love her. The problem is this, to me, is horrific. Like the thought of someone touching my feet right now and even listening to the lotion
in between,
like in between the
toes.
crevices of her toes is just, oh my gosh. What is it? Like, how do I get rid of it? Because I don't like it. She always touches her feet and she always says, you want me to massage your feet? And I'm like, heck no.
And it takes all your effort to massage my
I
feet.
will massage her
He's
feet
like,
because I love her.
but it's
That's
major
about
sacrifice.
it. It's major sacrifice when I touch her feet.
Yeah.
I just don't like it.
love my feet rubbed.
Okay, true vulnerability. I can't even wash my own feet. I have to have a loofah or something else. My hands cannot touch my feet.
I've never seen your fingers between your toes.
Ever. Am I the only one? Comment down below. Am I the only one that can't touch their feet?
Oh yeah.
Gosh.
Oh, it's so funny.
Oh, gosh. It's come to it. My love for my wife exceeds my own desire for comfort. I'm cringing, thinking of her touching my feet. But I'm gonna try to not kick her in the face. And I'm gonna try to enjoy this with every fiber of me that wants to absolutely hate it.
You don't have to enjoy it. I just don't want your feet dry anymore. Up. Oh, my puppets. You know the Mojave Desert?
Yeah, we're pretty much in
moist
it.
than your feet. Actually, can you wash your feet first?
I don't touch my feet. I already told you this. I will not touch my
You have
feet.
to touch them just so.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Alex, I can't. Don't you dare. Wait, there's gotta be rules. There's gotta be rules. There's gotta. No. No.
Hurting my leg.
No, I'm not trying to hurt you. There have to be rules. Rule 1, you cannot put your finger in between my toes. Promise. Promise them.
That's where it's most dry. Please,
I understand that.
Push your leg down.
You can't put your finger in between my toes.
Okay.
You heard them. If she does it and I scream and I drop the camera and I break it, it's her fault.
Look at you.
No, just between the finger. It's the toe. Oh my god, I can't.
I have oil on my pants
This-
now. Can you get the oil out?
This is horrific. That actually feels good.
Yeah, it's heavenly.
Don't touch my feet. Don't touch my toes. Maybe
That
it's
is-
just my toes. Maybe I've been mistaking this my whole life. I thought it was just my toe. Yeah, you
Trust
can.
me. No.
I don't. I
This
don't
one-
actually. Legitimately, I don't trust you.
No, this
Don't-
is just like the foot massage. You just massage the big toe. Just hang on. You just pinch it. Doesn't that feel good?
No.
How about this? Doesn't
Yeah, that
feel
feels good. That actually feels good.
How about that?
That feels really good.
Yeah.
Wait, like 80% of this isn't that bad.
Okay, other foot. You
Why-
could totally do a pedicure.
Why do I hate my feet being touched?
It's all in your head.
It's the toes.
See, I feel like I should be more grossed out than you.
No, 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 no.
Doesn't that feel good?
That feels great. When you touch my toes, I want to curl up in a ball and die. Don't you dare! Ah! Yeah, gosh. Okay, well, that was an experience.